Demonstrative pronouns. Definition of demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to show or identify one or a number of nouns that may be far or near in distance or time. They are only 4 in number. This, that, these, and those. Let us look at some examples. This is an apple. That is an apple. These are apples. Those are apples. This is my book. That is my book. These are my books. Those are my books. This is my pencil. That is my pencil. These are my pencils. Those are my pencils. This is a ball. That is a ball. These are balls. Those are balls. This is a car. That is a car. These are cars. Those are cars. As you have understood how to use demonstrative pronouns in sentences, let us do an activity now. Complete the sentences below with the correct demonstrative pronouns. You will be given time for thinking. Dash is a pen. This is a pen. Dash are erasers. These are erasers. Dash is my sister. This is my sister. Dash are my shoes. These are my shoes. Dash are my books. Those are my books. Dash is my teacher. That is my teacher. Dash are flowers. Those are flowers. Dash is my cat. That is my cat. Dash are apples. Those are apples.